Capability answers one blunt question. Can this process keep the promise you made? We promised a first reply within 2 hours. Let's find out what the process actually does, and be ready for the answer to be uncomfortable. Remember the column we pushed out of the data playground? It arrived here as a process, carrying all 220 measured tickets. All it needed was the promise. Upper spec limit, 2 hours, straight from the CTQ we wrote in define. Now open capability. And here's the verdict. CPK minus 0.39. A negative CPK is not a bad score, it's a different statement altogether. It means the average sits on the wrong side of the limit, not close to it. Past it, defects per million opportunities, 875,967. In plain English, about 88% of tickets miss the 2-hour promise. And the sigma level, minus 1.16. Two things worth pausing on. The panel shows 2 sigma numbers, and it tells you exactly how each one is built. Minus 1.16 is CPK times 3, unshifted. The observed value, and it is what the gauge needle points at. 0.34 is the same number plus 1.5. That shift is an old industry convention, and the tile says so, right on the label. Same process, honestly labeled. And now look at what the platform says about the distribution. Non-normal. CPK may mislead. It's warning you that this maths assumes a bell curve, and your data isn't one. Which matters because the model estimated about 88% of tickets missing the promise. The actual count on the chart below is 208 out of 220. So the process cannot keep its promise. And now you can prove that to anyone. Next lesson, we stop measuring the gap and start finding what causes it. See you there.